Hi besties, welcome back to my channel again today. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make your profile, your Preply profile stand out. Yes, because on Preply there are a lot of teachers, and the competition is very high. A lot of people have abandoned their Preply profiles, like, oh, nothing's happening there. But a lot of people are making money on Preply. Seriously, people are making money on Preply. So there are things you need to do to make your profile stand out, to make Preply push out your profile. And these are things you need to check out. Have I done this? Have I not done this? What am I doing wrong? So in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to look out for when updating your profile. Please, and I would like you to try it. Okay, give it a try. And yes, you see the miracle. You see the magic. Yes, so these things are things you need to put in place. So in the video I'm going to talk about step by step. I'm going to show you what you need to do and how you need to do it, how you should do it to make your profile stand out, to make people push out your profile, to attract more students. Okay, so let's get into the video. Yes. Hi Bessie. Okay, so yeah, if you're trying to update your profile on Preply, these are things you need to do. These are things you need to look out for. Okay, so number one is your picture, your profile picture. So let's go here. Look at this part, this top right part of your profile, your Preply profile. Yeah, this is a picture. Your picture should be catchy. The picture I'm using here, I still want to change it. Yes, so you need to have a catchy picture, a photo. Snap something that is very, very catchy. Is one of it. Is one of it, yes, because as Preply is pushing out your profile, the first thing that the student will see is your picture. So yes, I advise you can use a brighter one. You know, some of these people they look at color, but not always though. Especially some North America, yeah, some North America and American countries and European countries. Most of them, when selecting teachers, most of them are not big on color. I think the country that is big on color is mostly Chinese. China is big on color. Yes, among the people I've worked with, China is big on color. Most times, most of them, they look at your skin color. Okay, so yes, excuse me. So your picture is very important, very, very important. So let's say the next one you're going to look at, let's go to your profile. You go to this three dot here, click on it. The next one is your slots, your availability. You need to open as much as. So let me click on this calendar. I work with other companies, so I don't really do much on Preply. Sincerely, I don't really do much on Preply. So, but I have particular hours that are opened. So this is how it is. So you can go to okay, set up availability. Sorry, go to set up availability. Click on set up availability. Yeah. So this is time. You see the time where I'm available from 1 to 5 a.m. You're showing us. Okay, yeah, time I'm available for booking. So this is the time. Let's say you want to open. So what you just need to do is to click here. Yeah, I've added. Or you can just click here and drag it. Drag it down or stop. I'm going to stop here. It's updated. So I just open my early hours. These are my early hours. Look at your time. Preply works with your time zone. So this is my availability, my available hours. These are my available hours. So yes, so this particular period I'm teaching, I work with other companies. I hope you don't complain. So yeah, these are my hours, my available hours. So you have to open as much as if you want more students, if you want more students on Preply, you need to open your picture. Then the next one is availability. So let's go back to profile. So let's go to these three dots. The next one, don't forget your picture, very important. Your available hour, that one is very, very important. Then the next one, let's go to our profile. In the other video, I talked about how to get student within 24 hours. Please, I would like you to check out for that video and see what to do. It's very simple to get student within 24 hours. Yes, this one too, these are things you need to do for Preply to push out your picture. If you need students coming for Preply to push out your profile, these are things you need to do on this video. What I'm doing on this video are things you need to do. Okay, so the next one is your about. So I talked about the about is though not really. And where about, that's where you need to choose the languages. I talked about it in the last video. If you haven't really watched the other video, please do well to watch it to see where you see a video I made about getting student within 24 hours. Send your picture, we've passed that photo. So yes, why posting your pictures? There are certain things you need to look out for. There are do's and don'ts. They are all there. There are do's and don'ts. So look at it here. Please, what your photo needs. These are things. It needs to be very bright. They need to see your face very well. You should be facing the camera. Face forward, like face forward. You can smile. You frame your head and shoulders. Yes, ensure your shoulders are showing. Let it be centered and upright. Look up. Look straight into your camera while smiling or please smile. I wouldn't say white boning. Yes, you need to smile. So your face, your and eyes should be visible. They should be very visible. Please don't wear cap. Do not put on caps. Don't wear anything. I don't know. You can't cover anyone who maybe religiously want to cover. I don't think it's gonna work for Preply. You need to show your face, your eyes. They need to see. The student needs to see who they are working with. Okay, so you should be the only one in the picture, just you. It should be just you, no one else, no other person. Okay, so the next one is you should be use a color photo with high resolution and no filters. Please do not use filters. Avoid logos or contact information. Preply doesn't want you to have any contact information related to anything you're posting, even on the video, on the YouTube video you're gonna make. They don't want, you don't need to have, you're not going to post on your main YouTube account where you have your address or anything the student is going to contact you with. No, you don't need it, please. Then when you're done posting, when you've gotten such, upload, click here to upload. Click here to upload. Then yeah, this is it. Okay, so that's it. You save. Then the next one is your description. This one is another very important. It's very important. Sincerely, it's very important. You need to write extensively. I just updated. If you see here, you see we are reviewing the changes you made. I'm waiting for approval. I made some updates. I just realized there are some updates. I've been procrastinating. This has been what I used when I started Preply. I've been procrastinating. I need to update. So yes, I just updated. So whenever you make any updates, it will take like 3 business days. Sometimes they are sent to you before the 3 business days, but yes, the max is 3 business days. So if you don't get any response, just like I said in the other video, look at this question mark. This is for messages. Click there and watch the other videos how to do that. The other video I made, you see how to do that, how to talk to them. It's not that hard. Then yes, you write extensively, introduce yourself, talk about yourself, introduce yourself, talk about your teaching experience extensively, talk about it, motivate your students, tell them why they need to work with you, why they need to book you. Okay, these are very, very important things. I don't want to really stay long on this video. Then yeah, so why, yes, the next one is a video. This is another one that is important. This is another one. So I made a video where I talked about how to create a new YouTube channel. For this video, you need to create a new YouTube channel. You need to create a new YouTube channel. Don't use any channel that has to do with your contact, any contact. Do you understand? You need a very good video. Yes, I'm also going to change this one. Something happened. I just had to put this ASAP because my profile was no more visible, so I had to just put this one. Though probably is not high on accent, they aren't even looking at your accent. Yes, just know your what you need to do. Set your profile, set it to standard. That's what sells you out. You understand? Preply is good for beginners, starters is very good, but the competition is something else. It's competitive, a lot of, so there are thousands of teachers, thousands of tutors. So you need to really, really, really make your profile to be standard. Put it out there for you to get much students. Okay. And what else? Yeah, so why posting your once, what you need to do, you need to create a new YouTube account, create a fresh YouTube account, make an intro video, post it there, copy the link and come and paste on Preply. So I'm going to show you how to do that, how to create a new YouTube account, how to post your video, and how to come and link it up here, and also how to make a thumbnail. This is the thumbnail I'm using currently. These are, when I started, it's procrastination. That's why at least I can do it better. At the moment I can do it better. I can do a lot, so I can do better, something better than this. But procrastination and laziness, that's why I haven't changed it. You need something better than this thumbnail, so I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails too in the next video. Just check out my other video where I talked about how to create a new YouTube account and thumbnail. Okay. You see it there, and how to create a thumbnail. So yeah, that's it for this one. So the next one is your subject. I think the other important ones, I've talked about the important things that put you out. I've talked about the important things that put you out. So these are the subjects you're teaching. Please also try to select as much as you can choose. You understand the things you can do. This is my experience, 5 years experience. I have more than this, but here's what I chose here. So these are the, so when you're doing it, if you choose an English, if you use English conversation, please write more, write, talk more about what you do, what you can do. Talk about your experience. It's over 3 years of experience. I want to show you this. Coaching students at all levels. I specialize in improving English communication skills. You can rely on me to enhance your conversational English. Talk about it. See what you've done on these subjects. So these are the subjects I teach. These are all the subjects I teach. Once you choose one, don't just click on it. Write about it. Tell more. Just talk more about what you do. Explain how much you've taught, and just talk about it. Okay. Then your pricing, yes, that's another one. Pricing is very important. As a starter, you haven't gotten more students, please use $3. The list for prep is $3. Start with 3. Please start with 3. Please start with 3. When you start having more students, don't just go and put $5. You're not going to get any students. You won't get any students. Please, pricing is very important. Pricing is very important. Pricing is very important. Okay, that's the pricing. Then yeah, that's all I know. That's all. So this background is where you have to put your teaching certifications, everything, your yes, your certificates, yes, your certificates. So I think that's that for this. Please just give it a try, and you see your profile going high and high. You at least, once you get at least 97, 90 plus, you see probably pushing out your profile, pushing it out. Okay, So yeah, I wish you happy teaching, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do have happy teaching. Yeah, hope to see you in my other video. Bye. Okay, thank you for watching. So I hope this video was impactful. And yes, just like I said earlier on, you need to really look out for these things. Try to open more hours, because this will help you get students. Try look at your description, look at your picture, look at your thumbnails, your intro video. These things are very important, okay? Your description, very important. Your slots, your availability, very important. Please try and do this, and you see the magic. Yes, it works for a lot of people. It's worked for me, and I know it's going to work for you too. So yeah. So just give it a try, and don't forget, if you haven't given us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in our next video. Bye.